Hello viewers, how will you build this 3D model in less than 15 minutes using the FreeCAD 1.0 release candidate 2? In this video, you will see tracks you might not know, so stay until the end of the video. FreeCAD is really getting good for FreeCAD program. I hope you enjoyed this video and leave a like if you like it. Create a new document, just click on this icon. On the PartDesign workbench, just create a new body and a new sketch on the XY plane. Go to Sketcher jumps here and select centered rectangle. Check this option, rounded corners, and create a rounded rectangle in the region axis. Set 180 millimeters by 120 and 16 millimeters radius, and here we have this. Now leave the sketch and let's extrude the sketch 60 millimeters length and enter. Next, select this edge here and create a fillet of 80 millimeters and enter. Next, select this top face here and create a thickness on this part here, set 3 millimeters inwards and enter. Next, create a new sketch in the axis plane. Now just zoom in and switch to decision view. Now select external jump tool and just extract this edge here, and next select polyline tool and create this horizontal line, and next this vertical line, and now this line here and this line. Next, use this tool here to set the dimensions. Just click here in this icon, and this line here set 4 millimeters, and this line here set 8 millimeters. And next, you set the angle between these two lines here, and here we set 30 degrees, and we have this sketch full constrained. So now just leave this sketch, and next let's sweep this sketch here using this tool here, a div pipe tool. Just click on this icon and next click in object to select the path. Go to the model. Now in this first operation pad, click in this arrow and select the sketch. Now go back to tasks and just click OK, and as you can see we have this. Next, create a new sketch in the axis plane. Now just zoom in, session view, switch to the session view, and next select external jump tool. First extract this edge here to get the center point, and next this edge here. Next select polyline tool and start creating this line here. Just click on this point and now draw this vertical line, and next horizontal line, and now just click here and next click on this point and press them 3 times to draw this this arc, and then click here and now 2 times to draw a normal line, and then click on this point. Just click here and select the chamfer tool, create a chamfer here in these 2 lines, and next use this tool to set the dimension of this angle. Just click in this point and now in this point and create a horizontal dimension, set 5 millimeters for the chamfer, and next just zoom in here and set the length of this line to 1 millimeters, and it's all. Leave the sketch and next create an extrusion of this sketch. We are going to set 8 millimeters. Okay, and now just click OK, and next we will change the placement of this sketch. So what you do, we go to the model tab and we go to this last operation, click here in this arrow and select the sketch and spacebar to make it visible, and then change to the right view. And what we need to do here is to change the placement of this sketch in the Z direction. Go to attachment, position, and Z position. Next set 15 millimeters here and enter, or just close this tab page, and as you can see we have here the sketch. Okay, select the sketch and spacebar to hide it, and now just select this pad operation and go to multi-transform tool, this tool here, and then we go to transformations, right click on mouse and select add mirror transformation. Scroll down here, change the plane to axis plane, and okay, and next right click on mouse and select add mirror transformation. Scroll down again, and now we select YZ plane for this operation, and then click OK. And if we rotate this model, we can see that now we have this. And next just click OK. Next, create a new sketch on the YZ plane. Switch to the session view. Just click here and zoom in. Select the external jump tool, extract this edge and also this edge here, this edge and this edge. Next, select polyline tool and just zoom in here, create this line and this vertical line, now horizontal line, and create this, and next this, and now this, and now press M 3 times to create this arc, and now 2 times to draw a simple line, and just click here, and next click on this point here, and now press M 3 times to draw this arc, and just click here, and next press M 2 times to draw a simple line, and click here in this point, and now 3 times to draw this arc, and click here in this point, and now 2 times again, and click on this point here. Next select this tool here and make this line vertical line, and also this line here. Next select this tool here, chamfer tool, and create a chamfer in these two lines and also in this side here, and we have this. Next select equal constraint and make these two lines here equal. Skip this command and select this point here and set tangent, and next just select this point and this point here and make it constant, and we have this. Okay, now just select this tool here and set the size of this chamfer. Select these 2 points and create a horizontal dimension of 5 millimeters. Now just skip this tool and drag this line to the bottom, and next select this tool again, just click on this line, and now in this horizontal axis and set a dimension 1 millimeters. Next just skip this tool and drag this line here in this way, and select this point and zoom in here and select this point, and now just use this tool to constrain it vertical. Click here and select constrain radius and set the radius of this arc here, which is 8.9 millimeters. Select fillet tool, just click here and select create fillet, and we create a fillet here and here in these 2 lines. The same here, and next select equal constraint and make these 2 arcs equal. And next just click here and select constraint radius and set the radius of these arcs to 1 millimeters. And now just hide this all constraints, select this tool again, and let's create an angle dimension here between these 2 lines. Set 150 degrees and enter. Select this point, and now just zoom in and select this point here, and now create a vertical distance dimension. Set 25 millimeters, and it's okay. Next, let's use construction jumps. Just click here in this icon to activate that, and then select this tool, line tool. Just click here in the midpoint of this line and create a line of 4 millimeters and 0 degrees, and enter. Now we have this. Let's use normal geometries. Select cycle tool and create a cycle in this endpoint, set 4 millimeters, and leave this sketch. Next here, select pad tool, this tool here, and set 6 millimeters for the length of this extrusion, and okay. The next thing to do is to change the attachment of this extrusion, so we need to go to the model and we change that in the sketch. Go to this lasso operation, click on this arrow, select the sketch and spacebar to make it visible. Let's change to the front view, and here now we need to go to the attachment, position, and Z position. For example, if we increase this value, as you can see, the position of this sketch change. Okay, we need 65 millimeters here in the Z position, so set 65 and enter, and we have this. And also we need to reverse the extrusion of this sketch here. To do that, we need to select this pad and then scroll down to sketch based, and we find this option here, reverse it, and we need to set true here and enter. And now we have this. Let's hide this sketch, spacebar, and next we need to multiplicate this part here. To do that, we select pad operation, this less operation, and we go to mode transform tool, and here first what we do, we go to transformations and right click on mouse and select linear pattern. Scroll down here, we need to select the correct duration, so just click here and select x-axis, this axis here, and also need to reverse the duration. Just check this option, and the distance here should be 35 millimeters, and okay. And next right click on mouse and select mirror transformation, and the plane that we need to select here should be YZ plane. So just click here in plane and select YZ plane and click OK and OK. Now we have this, as you can see. Next, let's create a new sketch and the YZ plane. Just zoom in and switch to the session view, and now select external jump tool, extract this point here and also this line, and next select polyline tool, and first thing to do is to create this line in this way, and next this vertical line, and now just press M 3 times to create this arc here, and now 2 times to draw a simple line, and just click on this point. Okay, now we have this. Next, skip this tool and select this point and set tangent. Select this line and this edge here and set parallel this tool here, and we have this. Okay, and next just click here and select constraint diameter, this tool here, and click on this arc here and set 5 millimeters. Now just select this tool here, click on this point, and now just zoom in, click on this endpoint here and create a vertical dimension of 2.5 millimeters. And we have this. Let's hide these all constraints here and create a cycle here in the center point. The diameter should be 3 millimeters, and leave the sketch. And next select pet tool, and let's rotate the model and set, for example, 41 millimeters, and okay. We need this extrusion here to start here in this line. The way to do that is to change the attachment of this sketch, so we'll do that again. So select layer here and go to the model, and the last operation, just click on this arrow and select the sketch and spacebar to make it visible, and then go to attachment offset here, position, and the position, let's add 65 millimeters here and enter. And as you can see, we have this. And also we need to reverse the duration of this extrusion. To do that, we need to select the path, scroll down to sketch based, and here we find this option, reverse it. We need to set through here and enter. And we have this, as you can see. Now it's time to hide this sketch here. So select the sketch and space bar and press home, and we have this. Next, let's mirror this extrusion here. So select this operation and then mirror tool, this tool here. We need to set the correct plane, which is YZ plane. So we go to this task panel, and here in the plane we select YZ plane and okay. And next, here it's time to create a pocket here in these two parts. So we can zoom in and select this face and create a new sketch. Zoom out and switch to the session view. Next, select external jump tool. Here we need to extract this edge here and this edge, and now this edge here. Go to sketch jumps, select rectangle tool, and just create a rectangle in this way. Skip this tool, and now just select these 2 points, and now just click in this tool. This will add a vertical constraint, as you can see, and let's do the same here for these 2 points. Just click here in this tool, and we have this. Now what we'll do is to mirror this rectangle in this side here. To do that, we need to select this rectangle in this way, and next click in mirror tool, and then click in this vertical axis, and we have this. And now just leave this sketch and zoom out here and select pocket tool. Okay, as you can see, we have this 5 millimeters. We can change here to, for example, 10 millimeters and enter. And we still have the same thing. Okay, and now that we have this, let's create a new sketch on the axis plane. And now to zoom in here, switch to the session view, and next select external jump tool and extract this edge here and also this edge here to get this point and this point here. Next, select slot tool, this tool here, and just create a slot here in this edge. And okay, here we have this. Just click here and select constraint diameter. Click on this arc here and set a diameter of 2.5 millimeters. Okay, and next just click on this tool and set the size of this line here 1.5 millimeters, and next select smart curve constraint to select this point and this point here, and now the center point. And we have this escape 2 times to leave this sketch. And then what to do now is to use this subtractive pipe tool to remove material in this part. So first of all, we select the tool, subtractive tool, and then we go to this task panel and we click in object, and then we go to the model tab, scroll up to this first operation and select the sketch, and now go back to tasks and click OK. And as you can see here, we have this, and this is the final model. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video, please don't forget to hit like and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to watch another videos of the channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support the channel content, there is a link in the description of this video to my Ko-fi page. And also, as a way to support the channel, you can buy something of your interest in the Ko-fi shop of the channel.